यहाँ पे सुव्यवस्थित तरीके से सड़कों को विकसित किया गया है, परिवहन को, सिंचाई साधनों को, विद्युत को, स्कूलों को और यहाँ तक कि प्राथमिक स्वास्थ्य केंद्रों को। यहाँ पे कुछ छोटे छोटे ब्लॉक्स दिख रहे होंगे, इसमें इस गांव की विशेषताएं लिखी गई हैं। कुछ इसमें प्रक्रियाओं को भी लिखा गया है, जैसे कि सबसे मिडिल में हमने लिखा है द स्टोरी ऑफ विलेज पालमपुर। इससे जुड़ने वाले सबसे प्रथम जो कि हमारे स्क्रीन पे दिखाई पड़ रहा है, हमारे स्क्रीन के ठीक दाहिनी ओर, नॉन फार्मिंग एक्टिविटी एंड फार्मिंग एक्टिविटी, मतलब कि यहाँ पे किए जाने वाले कार्य कृषिगत कार्य होते हैं और गैर कृषि कार्यगत क्षेत्रों में शॉप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट, प्लॉट pot making etc. And where second is the service technology and doctors. In the category of farming activity, multi-cropping farming and modern method of farming, whereas farmer in modern method use HY seed, fertilizer, pesticides, farm machines etc. and they also use irrigational new methods such as dams, canal, pump set. In next, we see the capital requirement, where the people of the village Palampur, they do non-farming and farming activity. They require capital, where we see that they use the capital from save money which is they earlier save there for their livelihood, and other option is borrow money from other person. Here, large and medium farmer save money, and small and landless laborer borrow the money from other person. Next is fourth factor of production, which is mainly happen with the factor of production, which is mainly happen with the help of land, labor, physical capital such as human capital, working capital, and fixed capital. And next is land distribution. Land is distributed among small farmer, medium farmer, large farmer, and laborer and landless, etc. Now we see the farming in Palampur. Land is fixed. Farming is the main occupation in Palampur, and 75% of people are dependent on farming for their livelihood. They can be farmer or farm laborer, but since 1960 there is no expansion in land area under cultivation. Therefore, some waterland, some wasteland has been converted to cultivable, and no, now there is no further scope to increase land over under cultivation. Note, standard unit of measuring land is hectare, one side 100 meter, other unit are bigha, गोइंता एक्सेट्रा। यहाँ पे ज़मीन जो है वो फिक्स है, जैसे कि फार्मिंग जो है कृषिगत जो क्रिया है वो यहाँ के मुख्य व्यवसाय में आती है। यहाँ के अधिकांश 75% लोग जो होते हैं वो कृषि पे ही निर्भर है, उनका जीवन ही उसी पे डिपेंड करता है। इसमें अधिकांशतः किसान है, कुछ किसान मजदूर है, लेकिन 1960 के दौरान यहाँ पे खेतों में कोई विकास नहीं देखा गया, इसीलिए यहाँ पे जो प्रतिभूमि है वो उसको जो है कल्टीवेबल में बदला नहीं जा सका है। अब उसको लग रहा है कि उसको बदलना चाहिए, लेकिन वहाँ से कमी हो रही है उत्पादन में। एक ध्यान देने वाली बात यह है कि हम यहाँ पे ज़मीन को जो मापते हैं वो हेक्टेयर में मापते हैं, जिसका एक साइड जो होता है वो 100 मीटर होता है। ठीक है, अदर इकाइयाँ जो मापने की है वो बीघा, गोइंथा होती हैं। इज देयर अ वे वन कैन ग्रो मोर फ्रॉम सेम लैंड? मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग, growing more than one crop on a piece of land during the year. During rainy season, kharif crops are grown such as jowar, bajra. During winter season, rabi crops are grown as wheat. The reason why farmers are able to grow different crops in a year, electricity come earlier to Palampur, it transformed the system of irrigation by using electric run tube well. Modern farming, higher yielding variety seeds, chemical fertilizer and pesticide were used, machine were used as tractor, thresher, which made plodding easy. Green Revolution referred to the series of research, development and technology occurring between the 1940s and the late 1970s that increased agriculture production worldwide. खेतों खेतों के पैदावार को कैसे बढ़ाया जा सकता, ठीक उसी ज़मीन से। यहाँ पे बहु क्रियाकलापी कृषि करके, जैसे कि एक ही खेत में अलग अलग सीजनों में अलग अलग तरह के फसलों को बोकर, जैसे कि बरसात के समय ज्वार और बाजरा को बोकर, और वहीं पे उसी खेत में सर्दियों की सीजन में रबी के फसलों को बोकर, जैसे कि गेहूँ लगाकर हम खेती को बढ़ाया जा सकता है। यहाँ पे मुख्य कारण ये भी है कि यहाँ पे एक साल में अधिक से अधिक लोग पैदावार कैसे कर लेते हैं। इसका मुख्य कारण यहाँ पे बिजली का आना, जिसके चलते जो है सिंचाई सुविधा बढ़ गई। इससे लोग अपने पंप सेट को, ट्यूबवेल को चला लेते हैं। साथ ही साथ कुछ नए तकनीक भी आए, जैसे कि उच्च उत्पादन क्षमता वाले बीज, रासायनिक उर्वरक और कीटनाशक, साथ ही साथ उपकरणों, मशीनों जैसे कि ट्रैक्टर, थ्रेसर इत्यादि का खेतों में उपयोग होने से जो है पैदावार खेतों की बढ़ती गई। साथ ही साथ ग्रीन रिवोल्यूशन, हरित क्रांति जैसे भारत में आई, उसने कई तरह के परिवर्तन जो है खेती में लाए। कई तकनीकों में परिवर्तन आया, जो कि 1940 से 1970 के दशक के बीच में कृषि के अंतर्गत विश्वव्यापी उन्होंने उत्पादन में वृद्धि की। विल द लैंड सस्टेन? Green revolution is associated with the loss of fertility due to the increased use of chemical depletion of groundwater due to the tube-well irrigation. Once environmental resources are destroyed, it takes years to restore. How is land distributed between the farmer of the Palampur? In Palampur, one-third of 450 families are landless, and remaining families have less than 2 hectares of land, while some medium and large farmers have more than 2 hectares of land. Who will provide the laborer? A small farmer, farm laborer. They cultivate their field along with their families and provide labor themselves. Farm laborer come from the landless families and family cultivating small plot of land. They are paid in cash or kind of crop. They can be employed on daily basis or for the particular farm activity. The capital needed in farming. A small farmer borrow money from large farmer or many money lenders, but unable to repay. Medium and large farmer use their saving for farming. Sale of surplus from product. When harvesting is completed, a part of wheat is kept for families consumption, and surplus is sold to trader and market, and they sell the further to shopkeeper in town and cities. But this happen with medium and large families only. As a small farmer, little surplus wheat. And now, non-farming activity in Palampur. Only 25% of people are engaged in activity other than farming, such as dairy. The other common activity. People feed their buffaloes on various type of grass. The milk is sold in Raiganj. The milk is transported to far away cities and towns. An example of a small scale manufacturing in Palampur. Less than 50 people are engaged in manufacturing in Palampur. Very simple manufacturing is done on a small scale. They are mostly carried at home or field with the help of family laborer. The shopkeeper of Palampur. The trader and shopkeeper who buy various goods from wholesale market in cities and sell in the village. They have wide range of items like stationery, soap, toothpaste, rice, wheat. A few houses close to bus stand have eatable also. Transport, a fast developing sector. Palampur is well connected with road. Therefore, many people are engaged in transport service to ferry goods and people from one place to another place. In return, get paid it. Transport, rickshaw, tanga, jeep, tractor, truck, bogie, bullock cart, etc. are available in Palampur. This is the story of village Palampur, where we see the many types of activity happen with doing by the peoples of the Palampur, where the some people are engaged in the farming activity and some are engaged in non-farming activity. We see that also see that people of the Palampur are engaged in manufacturing sector also, where they use small scale industry, but they are engaged in manufacturing also, and some of the people are serving as the driver, bullock cart driver, tractor driver, and truck driver, etc.